Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Cloudy skies in Medford, and we're seeing plenty of cloud cover across the region. Temperatures are quite cool. Most spots in the 50s, 53 in Medford. It's 54 in Klamath Falls, as well as Mount Shasta, 48 up in Chemult, and it's 52 degrees for you folks in Brookings. Here's a look at the satellite and radar imagery. Some steadier precipitation has moved into our north. Just some light returns showing up in Jackson County. A few raindrops, that's about it. But notice some rain just offshore into Curry County. So we do expect some light to eventually moderate rain to push in as we head into this evening and the next couple of hours. Up into the mountains, we are seeing some rain also starting to develop now in the Willamette Pass area, and snow levels are starting to drop. You can see the blue, that's snow starting to become a little bit more expansive now. Let's take a look. Currently at Willamette Pass, road temperature, or air temperature I should say, right around 35 degrees. So we're just above freezing. We should quickly see soon here a change over to snow. And right now, some milder conditions at Diamond Lake and Lake of the Woods, but we do expect some accumulating snow for our Cascade Passes here in southern Oregon tonight into tomorrow morning as those snow levels continue to come down, dropping to about 5,000 feet or so overnight tonight. We'll drop down to the 30s for the east side, 38 in Klamath Falls, 45 in Medford, and 43 in Wairika. Precipitation will continue to become more expansive in the region as we head overnight. Snow mainly impacting the Cascade Passes overnight into tomorrow, but eventually as we head late in the day tomorrow, snow levels dropping to 4,000 feet or so. So even the basin could see a few flakes. Also some snow expected up at the Siskiyou Summit, but likely not really accumulating. Could see a couple of inches or so up at Mount Ashland, but the main focus for snow and travel concerns will be along the Cascades. We have this winter weather advisory through 9 p.m. tomorrow above 4,000 feet. How much snow are we talking? Well, we will at least see a few inches at Lake of the Woods. Some higher totals up towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake. Could see upwards of 8 to 12 inches at Crater Lake, and then just some light dustings for maybe some of the east side passes, but that's about it. Tomorrow, it's going to be a chillier day. Have that umbrella handy. We'll see shower activity continuing in southern Oregon even through the afternoon. High of 53 in Medford, 46 in Klamath Falls. Winds will be gusty overnight through tomorrow up in the mountains and then over on the east side. You can see Stormcast showing that rain and higher elevation snow becoming pretty expansive into tomorrow morning. As we go into the afternoon, a bit of a lull in the action, some breaks of sun, but then shower activity picks up through the afternoon. Maybe a few flakes on the east side as well, even in Klamath Falls, but not expecting any accumulation. The main accumulating snow area will be along the Cascades. And then Thursday, it's looking quiet. Rainfall totals, fairly light amounts for the east side and Siskiyou County, but we could see a half an inch to an inch or more of rainfall and precipitation along the Cascades and over towards the coast and coastal mountains. May see a weak system on Friday, but the forecast is looking dry through the rest of October. This weekend looking like brighter skies, cool temperatures, but those nights are going to be on the cold side. We could be looking at our first freeze for many of our west side valleys of southern Oregon. So your 7-day forecast for the coast, showers likely into tomorrow, a slight chance for showers with a weak system on Friday. Northern California, some brighter skies later this week into this weekend. Plenty of sunshine this weekend, but temperatures remain below average. For the basin, rain and snow showers on tap for tomorrow, then a quiet stretch of weather through the rest of the month. Temperatures start to moderate a bit as we head into Halloween. Up into the mountains, snowy Cascade Passes, not expecting significant travel impacts, but definitely you'll have to give yourself a little bit of extra time, especially heading through the Diamond Lake area with those snowier conditions in the morning and then again in the evening. And then for the Rogue Valley, expecting those showers, breezy conditions tomorrow, cool with highs in the 50s through Saturday, but getting back into the 60s for highs in time for Halloween.